Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super Instagram filter like this. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So just open your Instagram reel and click on the effect option here. Then go to the search option here and just type as iPhone lock screen. So here there is a lot of filters, but you just need to select the second filter, which was the green filter. So this is most popular filter on the Instagram. So there's a lot of reels has been created by using this filter. This filter actually a viral filter actually. So you just stand here and make a viral music and make an action, and this will you can see how to make this effect by clicking on the iPhone lock screen and view the effect page. Just click here. You can see more than a 1.1 million reels has been created, and there is a lot of videos has been created. It's actually a viral Instagram filter. So you can try this and do your Instagram reel now. And if you want more videos like this about the Instagram filters, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.